Video opens with you sitting at a desk with a computer, looking friendly and approachable. A few subtle AI-related graphics or icons might be visible on the screen or as overlays. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered if you could build a career around AI, even if you're a complete beginner? It sounds futuristic, right? But what if I told you that you can start today, for free, and you don't need to be a math genius? Let's break it down. First things first, let's clear up a myth. You don't need a PhD in computer science to get started with AI. The most important skill is curiosity. AI is everywhere, from your Netflix recommendations to the way Google Maps finds the fastest route. The first step in building a career is simply understanding what it is and what it can do. So, where do you begin your learning journey? The internet is your best friend here, and it doesn't have to cost a dime. Platforms like Coursera and edX offer introductory courses from top universities. Look for titles like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng or Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. These are designed for non-technical folks and give you a fantastic overview. Google also has its own free AI Essentials course, which is brilliant for grasping the fundamental concepts without getting bogged down in complex code. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but how do I get practical experience? This is the fun part. You can start using AI tools in your daily life right now. Think of them as your super smart assistants. For example, you can use tools like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini to help you brainstorm ideas, write emails, summarize long articles, or even learn a new language. The keys to get comfortable talking to these AIs. Let's say you're interested in marketing. You could ask an AI to generate 10 creative social media post ideas for a local coffee shop. Or if you're into writing, use it to outline a blog post and suggest stronger headlines. By using these tools daily, you're not just saving time. You're actively learning a skill called prompt engineering. This is simply the art of asking the AI the right questions to get the best results, and it's becoming a highly valuable skill in the job market. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can start building a small portfolio. You don't need to build a complex robot. A portfolio can be as simple as a collection of projects where you used AI to solve a problem. For example, you could create a document showcasing how you used AI to analyze customer feedback for a fictional company. Or you could use AI image generators like Midjourney to create a stunning brand logo and present the creative process. Put these examples on a simple personal website or even a LinkedIn article. This shows potential employers that you're not just knowledgeable, but you can also apply that knowledge practically. The job market is evolving fast. Companies are now looking for AI-literate employees in almost every field: marketing, human resources, project management, customer service, you name it. They need people who understand how to leverage these powerful tools to work smarter and more efficiently. Your goal isn't necessarily to become an AI developer, but to become the person in your field who knows how to use AI better than anyone else. That's your unique selling point. So, to recap, start with free introductory courses to understand the big picture. Integrate AI tools into your daily tasks to build practical skills. Create a small portfolio of your work to showcase your abilities. And most importantly, stay curious and keep playing with these new technologies. The AI revolution isn't just coming, it's here. And you have a front row seat to be a part of it. I hope this guide has made the world of AI feel a little less intimidating and a lot more exciting. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on navigating your career in this new digital age. Drop a comment below and let me know what AI tool you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.